So today we're going to be showing y'all how to separate the canister from the base of a dual flush valve designed for a one-piece toilet. Now, most important thing to notice is the separation between the canister and the base. Now, best way to identify that separation is by these clips. There's going to be usually two of them on the flush valve right across from each other. So one located here and then straight across right here. And they may be in different positions just because that canister can rotate pretty easily. So they may be positioned a little bit different, but we're going to have them in the same spot when we separate it. So as you can see here, this little post almost has like a little lip right here on the bottom side of this ring. We want to line this plastic clip up with that post. When we do that, you'll see that little crack open up right there. That's the canister separating. And once that opens up, just lift, the canister will come off. Now this can come in handy if, say, the flush valve seal is not offered separately and you don't want to take that whole valve out of the tank. You can just pop that canister off, and then to install it, it's going to go on the same way it came off. Just make sure those plastic pegs line up with the ridges. When you've got them lined up, just press it down, and it should be good to go. And once again, this was how to separate the canister from the base of a dual flush valve designed for a one-piece toilet.